This morning at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a 1967 Chevelle. This is a real deal super sport, 138 code in the VIN, and a 4-speed car as well.
Yeah, believed to be numbers matching, but this one was decked when it was rebuilt, so the factory numbers are off of the code, but believed to be the original engine still. I'll tell you what, this one runs and drives awesome, and it has got a gorgeous deep red paint job on it.
Yeah, definitely been wet sanded and buffed to a beautiful shine.
The bright work on it, as far as on the front, is beautiful as well. The grille, bumpers, headlight, eyebrows. Gap's real good front to back here on the passenger side. Same thing over on the driver. And again, the paint is just so deep and nice.
Starts easy.
Nice dual exhaust out the back, sounds great. I'm gonna fire it up again, D. I'll open the hood.
Yeah.
Man, we got what now? 2 67s, this real super sport, an SS clone. We just got done driving, came in, a white one. And yeah, 2 nice 66s. One's a big block, one's a small block. So we got 4 of these things right now. Got headers, power steering, power brakes.
Idle's nice. Timing set right there too. Turning it off, didn't diesel.
Yeah. It looks like paint code is actually FF, so it was not originally a red car. But when they did the color change, I mean, every single thing was taken apart. Look at the paint quality on the inner fenders right here. They did a beautiful job. Power steering reservoirs right here. Brand new SS hood, it looks like, doesn't it?
Yep.
Tire tread's great, and I'll tell you what, it's got a really nice wide stance on it. I mean, the tires are about as wide as they possibly can be and just fit really nice in there.
Yeah, it sits great.
Back of the hood lines up nice. Again, the paint, I know it wasn't done the last year. I mean, it's probably 5, 6 years old. I know the guy we bought it from said it was painted when he got it years ago. So I'm guessing it's 5 to 8 years old, and I'll tell you what, it's still super, super nice.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. Just like the finish in it, it shine. You know, there's not much for imperfections that I've seen in the paint at all.
It looks like it was done yesterday, but still has just a little bit of age on it to where you know what you got. You know you're not going to have any issues right away with it as far as on the paint. Pinch weld was done very nicely back here. Tire tread's great. We can get the tire size on that.
Yeah.
Back bumper is great. All new trim around the headlights, tail lights, trunk lid.
Rear tires are 275 60/15s.
Okay, 275 60/15s. And again, they fit in there just great.
And the fronts are 235 60/15s.
Okay, 235 60/15s, all right. We get that question a lot. You know, somebody will like this stance and want to know exactly what they got for wheels on there. Obviously an 8-inch Corvette Rally probably in the back. Handles were replaced during the restoration. Again, look at the quality of the felts. That's what you got to look for, just around the edges. Doors were all taken off. Door jamb paint just as nice as the paint on the outside of the car. Rubbers are all new. Seat covers are excellent. Headliner's perfect. I don't see any wrinkles anywhere in it. Just they did a great job when they installed that. Back seat. Door panels are great, front and back. Dash pad and dash applique is beautiful. It's got the Rosewood steering wheel. It's got the factory tack over in the corner. 44,034 miles on the odometer. Beautiful console. Her shifter. Man, this is, the more I go around this real deal super sport, the more I fall in love with it.
Yeah, it's definitely a sharp car. All the chrome looks nice on it as well, both bumpers, I'm sure you talked about.
If they go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, if you're interested in this Chevelle, check that out. I mean, the floorboards are solid in it, trunk solid. Plus there'll be all kinds of still pictures there as well. As we look up and down the driver's side, nice straight car. I mean, you can go to any local car show and bring home a trophy with this one. Top of the rear quarters are beautiful. Got two tiny little chips right here. I don't know if it'll show up. Right, little one right in that corner there. Door rocker panel. Lower fender's excellent. If you're looking for a beautiful red 4-speed Chevelle, real super sport, I mean, it's hard to beat this one.
Just looking there, the clock, which we'll talk about all that stuff in a minute, but the clock still works in the console.
The windows go up and down perfect. As far as our chrome on the windows is excellent. The seals here are nice. It's actually cool enough this morning. Dome light works as well. You want to roll up the windows, D? Yeah. Horn works. It's weird. I know that tack worked.
It did, yeah.
Brake release cable and stuff like that. That's all been replaced. I mean, it's just quality car, isn't it?
It is.
Very nice build. Like you said, the clock works. The tack will work, guys. I don't know if something came unhooked or what. Gas gauge works. We don't have a ton of gas. Oil pressure is way up there. And it's got all the factory gauges, which is kind of nice. You know, it's all right to have aftermarket ones too to know exactly where you're at. But the previous owner chose not to on this one. Heater fan works great.
Box is nice.
Quality car, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Temp gauge is working, clock's working. Where's the damn tack work? I don't know what happened there. That's the thing with these old cars, no matter if it's a new tack or cars like brand new almost, there's always little things that can go out at any time, you know?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's just something simple though.
You want to roll your window up too, otherwise the paper buyer's guy's going to be flapping around.
I don't know about your windows, but mine went up so nice. It's like silk.
Mine did too.
Speedometer works great. Nice power, doesn't it?
Yep.
Here's your brakes, no pull left or right, perfectly straight steering wheel, just like we like to see. Temp gauge is just starting to come up.
Yes, am I coming left?
It's got a great idle on it too.
It does. Yep.
The guys at the shop really tuned this in nice. When it first came in, those 4 barrels in the back weren't opening up.
Yep.
They did a nice job on this carburetor getting adjusted in.
Shifts good.
It don't miss a beat, does it?
And that Rosewood steering wheel is beautiful. Finishes off the interior excellent.
We got it going down the road, Dave.
Nice.
Isn't that smooth?
Very smooth.
It's got factory 373 or 411 rear ends in it, but still, we're going down the road 65, 70 mile an hour, and it's awesome.
Suspension feels really nice. Seals up good in here too.
Yes, it does. And just like I said, the heater controls, they replaced all them, it looks like. I mean, that works great.
Yep. I'm still impressed with the tack or the clock. It's something that not a lot of people fix on these.
Yeah, they never work. Turning indicators work on the dash, both sides as well. Oh, look at that. This one's got it in there. See that?
In the tack, like.
Because it covers that one up.
That's neat.
Wasn't paying attention there, was I, D?
Missed your turn. You're.
Should go to the gas station.
Yeah. Shifts great.
What I like about it is when it shifts and stuff, it tripped the tires and forth right there, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
But it's not moving, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I could have damn near my hands off the wheel shifting, and it just everything's so tight. The bushings and stuff are tight up front.
Yeah, it's a good car. Really good car. Check this one out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. A real deal super sport, 4-speed car and done beautifully.